What's the meaning of altarpiece? Altarpiece. 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 Altarpiece.
An altarpiece is a decorative panel or structure that is used to adorn the area behind the altar in a Christian church. It typically consists of one or more paintings, sculptures, or reliefs that depict scenes from the Bible or other religious subjects. Altarpieces can be simple or elaborate, and are often highly symbolic. They serve as a focal point for religious ceremonies and are intended to inspire devotion among worshippers. Altarpieces have been an important element of Christian worship for centuries, and many examples of this art form can be found in churches throughout the world.